If you are logged in as the setter in the service software, the monitoring function is available. Click on Monitoring. Then confirm that the selected folder is OK. Now enter which shunt type is connected to the EWR2. The setting will scale the current value. In the header, you will see the document name. You can click on it and assign a document name yourself. If you do not, the file is automatically named with log file, the date assigned, and the time. Using the Start button, begin the measurement. When the measurement is complete, save by using the Save Log button. With the button Load Log, you can view previously saved measurements. Under Settings, you have the option to redial the storage folder. In the main window, the recorded weld current is time synchronized in red. Also shown is the gas volume flow in green and the inlet pressure into the device in blue. To start a measurement, press Start Recording. You always see the last 30 seconds of a measurement on the screen. When the measurement is finished, stop by pressing the Stop Log button. Now click on Save Log. This saves a PDF and a CSV file in the selected folder. The CSV file allows you to evaluate the measured values recorded in Excel. If a high welding current is indicated, the EWR2 supplies a higher gas volume flow. If a low welding current is indicated, the EWR2 lowers the gas flow rate. The green dashed line is the average gas flow rate during the measurement, and the blue dashed value is the mean input pressure. If you would like to look at recording details, drag a box over the area of interest from the top left to bottom right and zoom in. Hold down the right mouse button to move this area up or down in time or in the values up and down. If you want to zoom out again, drag a box from bottom right to top left with the left mouse button pressed to jump back to the full screen.